Tuli butereevu ku City Hall ssaawa eno ensonga egenda mu maaso. Waliwo okwekenneenya ku nsonga za Deputy Meeya w'e Lubaga. Ono agambibwa okuba nti waliwo ensonga ezitatambula bulungi nga City Hall batudde ba councillors ne ba meeya okwongera okwekenneenya ensonga zino zitambula zitya. Anti enguzi efuuse enguzi mu ggwanga Uganda, enguzi efumbekedde ebyobufuzi bya Uganda. Tomalaawo nti abantu bangi bali mu bifo eby'amaanyi naye nga tebabikozesa ekyo kye bateekeddwa bikozesa. Ebifo bye balimu babifuniramu bufunizi nsimbi. Ova olaba nti City Hall etudde bukubirire beekenneenye ku nsonga ze ebimwogerwako bituufu oba bamusibako matu ga mbuzi kumuliisango. Bino nga bikyali bityo bikyagenda mu maaso. Oweekitiibwa Mathias Mpuuga Nsamba olwaleero ekibiina lwe kisalawo enguzi gye yali ey'obukadde 500 ki ekigenda okumukolerwako. Bamugoba mu kibiina, bamugoba ku bwa Deputy President wa Buganda, bamugoba ku Commissioner wa Parliament oba yejjeerezebwa. Anti bamuwa ennaku 7 ng'amaze okwetonda, ng'amaze okubaako kyayogera mu public naye zigenza okuggwako nga mujeemu talina kyayogedde. N'olw'ensonga ewe ekugamba nti enguzi ekudde ejjembe mu ggwanga Uganda ng'abanene betwandirowoozeza nti be bandibaddewo okulwanyisa enguzi eno tebeefiirayo beesuuliddeyo gwa naggamba. Mala okulaba ensonga za City Hall.
So we are to finish the matter today on the campaign. Do you agree with me that we need time, ample time to discuss this matter? We need ample time, right? So honorable members, we need time for this issue. Honorable Kim, please accept that we handle the first issue, then we handle this matter. I don't want to finish. Thank you very much. Honorable Abu. That's honorable. Thank you. We proceed to the next item on the agenda.
Item number 4. Consideration the decision of the Rwanda, now as the Council, remove of the city mayor.
Honorable Samuel. Question before you come in, Honorable Samuel, to the members of this council. If we finish this item number 4, Chief Whip, please take note, and Honorable Alan and others. If we finish item number 4, and you move out with quorum for the next item on the agenda, then you're going to note that it was received and passed the GKMB. If you move out when this item is not discussed. Thank you. We proceed. Proceed.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. For this opportunity once again to give a brief report on the decisions of Rwanda.
And you will table the document you want.
Mr. Speaker, I will have a table first report. Decisions of Rwanda in Abali Benguzi Basattira on the removal of their deputy mayors from their respective offices. Regional Speaker, this is a brief but thorough report from the State Executive Committee of this city on the decisions of Rwanda and Kampala Central Urban Division Councils on the removal of their deputy mayors from office. Madam Speaker and honorable members, the legal regime that governs the administration of the city, particularly Section 20 of the KCC Act as amended, creates the lower urban councils of the authority. In execution of their duties, Section 28A of the KCC Act 2010, as accordingly was amended, provides for division executive committees at the lower division level, at the lower division. And their functions are also laid out, Madam Speaker, under Section 28B of this same law. Section 28A of the Act provides for the composition of the Division Executive Committee, Madam Speaker, and they include the following. Bullet 1. The mayor, who is the political head of the division, and the head of the Division Executive Committee, elected by universal adult suffrage through security ballots at an election organized by the Electoral Commission. But it's true, Madam Speaker and honorable colleagues, a deputy mayor, who is the vice chairperson of the Division Executive Committee, appointed by the division mayor from among the division councillors with approval of the division council. And the 3 other members appointed by the mayor of the division council from among the division councillors with the approval of the division council, with at least one of whom being a female. Upon the regulation of the division councils in 2021, Madam Speaker, Honorable Mafuge and Honorable Fahun were appointed as deputy mayors for Rwanda and the campus Central Division Councils respectively. On Thursday, 14th December 2023, Rwanda Division Urban Council, which is the Supreme Governing Body of the division, passed the resolution of removing Honorable Fuge Rehema from office of the deputy mayor of the Division of the Council and approved the nomination of Honorable Councillor Mugulwa Fatima Nansuga as her replacement. In a petition dated the 3rd January 2024 and addressed to the Office of the Executive Director, with a copy of the Office of the Lord Mayor, Honorable Fuge's lawyers, Uganda, Odoba, and Kampala expressed her dissatisfaction with our first resolutions on grounds that they violated Section 76 of the KCC Act as amended and sought for legal interpretation and redress from the authority. A copy of that letter from the lawyers is attached as Annexure 1, Madam Speaker. For those who wish to get details, I go through that. The Office of the Lord Mayor, lack of engagements convened by the Office of the Executive Director, but was not furnished with the details of the proceedings and resolutions thereof. Later on, the Office of the Lord Mayor received a letter from Honorable Fuge dated 9th January 2024, seeking for guidance from the Lord Mayor as the political head of the city about the subject matter. And that letter is attached as Annexure 2, Federal Speaker. It is on that premise that the Lord Mayor communicated to the executive director with regards to the decision of the facility meeting, and all processes are taken by management. That is as in your communication with the office of the Lord Mayor, dated 6th February 2024, the executive director rendered a legal opinion that impeaches the decision of the Divisional Council. It is attached as a list form on our colleagues for you to go through and get yourself updated with that. The office of the Lord Mayor, citing section 34, one of the KCC Act as amended. This is how it states, for those who don't have the Act now, that the council, this council, shall have powers to veto a decision of divisional urban councils where the decision is inconsistent with or contravenes the Constitution or any other law, the Metropolitan Development Plan or policy of government. Believing that the authority council is that veto over within the Constitution, clause the veto powers over decisions of the division urban councils, and therefore wrote to the authority speaker requesting that convene an authority council to pronounce itself on this matter, one way or the other. A copy of the Lord Mayor's letter to the authority speaker is attached here too as an extra. In a similar circumstance, on the 20th day of February 2024, Madam Speaker, the office of the Lord Mayor received a communication from the Mayor of Kampala Central Division of the Council that was copied to the authority speaker, reference to KCD, stroke of MYR, stroke of 2024, stroke of 00312, and dated 20th February 2024, wherein he officially communicated to the office of the Lord Mayor about the Thursday, 25th January 2024, Kampala Central Division Abali Council resolution of requesting moral relief from the office of the Deputy Mayor, Kampala Central Division Council, with the Councillor Tumusime Karananura Mori. In the same letter, Madam Speaker, the Mayor of Kampala Central Division Council, he requested the Lord Mayor to present the same to the Authority Council for further guidance to this council, Madam Speaker, for emphasis. A copy of the letter, the Mayor's letter is attached as Register 6. Madam Speaker, I did communicate in the beginning, the business committee sitting on Tuesday, 5th March 2024, considered the two matters according to the schedule of today's council. Special council, private special. A copy is attached. Madam Speaker, therefore, my colleagues, I request that this authority council, on behalf of the executive committee, this council receive this report for consideration and appropriate decision, and for your consideration and for an appropriate decision in accordance with the law. Madam Speaker, the principle of stare decisis in the law should apply, because what is decided here binds our governments in the further in the decisions to be made. I beg to submit to my colleagues and the Honorable Speaker. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Dr. Kasasiro, for the presentation. Honorable Kasasiro, I thank you. You gave us this report in good spirit. I don't see any recommendation. No report.
Madam Speaker, a report, the different formats of reports. According to the State Committee, Madam Speaker, and all the attachments given, like you have read the report. First of all, it's a report, and the substantive report of no Speaker. But we thought at the Standing Committee that it's incumbent upon this council for advice. Check out and get this decision. Without
whether it's substantial or not a substantial report, you will leave it to council. But me, as the Speaker, I need a candid answer from you. Are you really giving a service to this August House? I'm sick. Honorable Akin,
Proceed. Thank you very much, Speaker. Like it has been stated by Honorable Sewu, there are various formats of voting. But given that there is a number of attachments or documents to make a clarification, I think members can base on that because it gives the details to make a decision which can also guide the future for the future.
procedure, Honorable
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Also, I thank the City Executive Committee for the presentation. However, Madam Speaker, join you in your understanding mission. I'm very, very saddened by this report. I'm very actually, I don't know if His Worship, the Lord Mayor, took courtesy. But as the council from this report, it is indeed disappointing. Madam Speaker, we recall very well in the council that we scheduled to handle the issues of that valley. The Lord Mayor requested the office of the Speaker under the same section 34, requesting us to veto the decision of Kampala Central, and he clearly cited the illegalities. I remember that letter that was written to our office. He cited very clearly that Kampala Central went ahead to dispose of a school, yet they did not have the power to do so. And it was on record that his letter clearly stipulated which illegality this council was going to revoke. Madam Speaker, it is painful when I see such a report. When the Lord Mayor, not even the report, but the letter dated ninth, where he requested us to schedule this council. I have perused through the Lord Mayor's letter, Madam Speaker, clearly, but he still doesn't outline which illegal, because calling this council is under section 34. We are coming here to veto an illegal decision. And he did outline clearly which illegality that was really rendered in the decisions of the urban council. I do not have any contention what decisions were made, but at least he would have taken courtesy to outline and show us where we are going to veto, which decision was taken illegally, and at least also take a position, him as a role player, showing us that indeed this decision was illegal. But from this report also, it confirms that SAFE doesn't outline exactly what illegalities are even scheduled into the decision. It is my request, Madam Speaker, that SAFE first commit itself. Let SAFE commit itself, because they requested us under section 34 to veto an illegal decision. Let it first take a commitment and tell this council what decision is illegal and we're going to veto. Thank you, sir.
Honorable members, we have a report before us that has been presented to us by Honorable Sewu. We will receive the report first of all, then we discuss it, or what do we do, Honorable members? I'll have Honorable Peace and Honorable Basattira. Thank you very much, Madam Speaker. Indeed, first I would like to thank the Honorable Secretary for presenting a good report. But, Madam Speaker, indeed, I think this report is dubious in that usually we receive reports that are well researched and say gives us observations and gives us recommendations to guide our debates in the House. It does not mean that when they give us, they guide us with their recommendations, we take them, but it gives us a starting point for debate in this House. I therefore would like to suggest that we don't receive this report, that we ask the Honorable Member to come up with some observations and recommendations for us to guide our debate. Thank you very much. Honorable Basattira.
Madam Speaker, I want to second and support my colleague who has just spoken. Madam Speaker, this report is very dangerous to discuss. Actually, this report is causing more problems, not only for us as a council, but also the parties that are at war. And Madam Speaker, I don't want to be part of this confusion. I know one of the honorable ministers has said that there are so many formats of reporting. This is not true. There are those principal partners of the report. And among them include recommendations and the way forward. And therefore, Madam Speaker, before going into the details of this report, from the word go, we should reject this report and the executive should go back and improve this report.
Madam Speaker. Thank you very much. Madam Speaker, the procedure of receiving decisions of resolution of other councils is clearly stipulated in the Act. Section 34 dictates that it's the town clerk to present the decisions of Abali Council. In this case, I would invite the council to put a more pressure on town clerk to bring resolutions of Abali councils, particularly for Rwanda. Don't submit.
Consider Madam Speaker.
Speaker, I want to know whether it's considered right. My honorable colleague was shown that the town clerk has bodies before this council. I agree that the town clerk for once noticed from the Abali Division Council to the Tukooye. But the question is, where does he forward it? For one is then to the office of the executive director. The office of the executive director for one is the same document to the office of the Lord Mayor and the city executive committee. And the city executive committee, which has audits for this council, for what is the same documents council. Therefore, in my humble opinion, I see a trend of communication, and I presume that that's what I would like to see guidance whether my colleague is pursuing.